Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce Project tutorial. In this video, we will cover how to print the products. So let's see how can we print the products. So first of all, before this export button, let's add here a print button. Okay, so go to the products view file. So just go inside the resources directory, then views and admin, and from here let's open the products view file. And inside this view file, let's find the export button. Okay, you can see here this is the export button, and before this export button, let's add here a print button. Okay, so first of all just add here a div and add the class flex and this one gap dash 2. Okay, and now after this button just close this div and let's copy this button, and before this button just paste here. Now change here the text print and also change the icon here, so write here fa dash print. Okay, now save this and let's check this button. So go back to the browser and just refresh the page and you can see here the print button. Alright, now go back to the products view file and before this table, here inside this div just add here id is equal to let's say id is a printable area. Okay, and now let's add JavaScript. So go to the bottom of the page and after this let's add here a script tag, a script. Okay, and now just close this script tag and inside this script tag let's create a JavaScript function. So write here function and function name, let's say function name is print div, and inside this function just pass here one argument which is div id. Alright, and now inside this JavaScript function, first of all let's find the element with this id from the document and capture all the HTML content using this inner HTML inside this print contents variable. Okay, and after this takes the entire HTML content of the current page using this one document.body.innerHTML inside this original contents variable, and after that just replace the entire content of the page with this print content. Okay, so inside this document.body.innerHTML just put here the print contents. Okay, and after that just open the browser print dialog box using this windows.print method, and after that restore page original content using this one document.body.innerHTML is equal to original contents. Okay, and now let's call this JavaScript function from the print button. So let's copy this and here inside this print button just add here the on click event, on click, and call this function print div, and inside this just pass here the id this one printable area. Okay, so inside the single quote just add here this one printable area. Now save this and now it's done. So let's check. So go back to the browser and just refresh the page. Now let's print the product. So just click on print button and you can see here the print preview windows. From here you can easily print this content, and also you can save this content as a PDF. Okay, so from here you can choose the printer and also you can save this content as a PDF. Okay, let's save this PDF. So just select this PDF and click on save. Okay, choose here the path and now just save. Let's check the PDF. So just minimize and you can see here the PDF. Let's open this and you can see here the products. Okay, this video covers print the products for the admin. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.